You're welcome back to the Crypto Day channel, and today I want to show you how to earn a fraction of 50,000 USDT. Okay, so Bitsgap is willing to give you the money. Okay, all you have to do is just to follow simple instruction and win a fraction of this. Okay, so all you have to do is that you have to have an account on the platform, and the good thing is that they are willing to give this money to both paying users and free users. So whether you have a premium subscription on the platform or you are using a free subscription, it doesn't matter. So you can still participate in this competition and win a fraction of 50,000 USDT for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the guidelines that will improve your chance of success, as far as this opportunity is concerned, right? So all you have to do is just to stick around with me to the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, right now we have 1,000 subscribers. We moved all the way from 26 to 30, then now we have over 1,000 subscribers. So I want you to join these subscribers, because when people subscribe to the channel, they've seen something valuable on the channel. So join the subscribers, turn on your notification button. Also, visit the playlist. There are lots and lots of videos on the playlist, and also videos that will help you to jumpstart your career as far as crypto and blockchain industry is concerned. All right, so share with your friends, like this video, comment down below, and ask me any question that you may have about the Bitsgap trading competition that is holding live on OKX. Okay, so all you have to do now is to click on this icon at the top right, of the platform. So you can see I have like 2 bots that are running and 3 bots that are running presently at the moment. So, but this is not what I'm focusing on right now. So click on this icon. You're going to be seeing a countdown like 12 days remaining, 1 hour left, 7 minutes left, and 45 seconds left. Okay, so all you need to do is just to follow this simple instruction. Okay, so these are the list of, if you are among the top winners, okay, maybe you are like the #1 person, you will earn 1,000 USDT, and even just try and stay among the top 10, then you will earn something for yourself. Okay, so they have consolation prizes for people who make it between 26 to 49 position. Okay, so that is really awesome if you ask me. So all you have to do is just to have an account on OKX. When you click on OKX, just right click. When you right click on it, then you will be able to sign up on the platform. But right now I have an account on the platform. I sign up with the organization URL, the organization referral code. Okay, so that is what you can do. Use their referral code as much as possible. Okay, if you have an existing account on OKX, fine, there is no problem with that. But if you don't have an existing account on the platform, try and use their referral code. Okay, it's a win-win. Okay, it's a win-win for everyone. So now the next thing I want to do after that, because I already signed up an account on the platform, is to come here. This is my first time of using the platform. I actually created an account some minutes ago because of this video. And also intend to participate in the contest, so that I'm going to aim for the top. I want you to also aim for the top as well. So now the next thing I want to do now is to come to, I think, API session. This is the API session, right? So click on API session, because that is the #1 stage. #1 thing you have to do is to join OKX. And right now I have an account on the platform. And the #2 thing is just to connect OKX, to connect your Bitsgap trading system, the trading software, to OKX. That is the next thing that you have to do. So just come here, create new API. So, but before I can create a new API, I have to set up a Google Authenticator, okay? Or I should link it with my mobile number. So I'm going to prefer to link it with my Google Authenticator. So I'm going to pause this video at this point and come back to it. So I don't want you guys to go through the process of setting up the Google Authenticator with me, okay? Not because of any reason, because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long, okay? So I'm going to pause it right now. So right now, as you can see, I've been able to set the Google authentication code. All right, so it is not really difficult. Okay, you just need to go to the Play Store and download Google Auth. You can use Google Authenticator 2-factor or use Auth, HUTHY. Okay, So now I'm going to come here again and click on API, then try to create a new API. So when I create a new API, of course, I'm going to delete this API, after making this video, okay? So it's not like I'm putting my API, in a public domain, no. So the API now is just like a test API, that's the name. So it is asking for a phrase, okay? It is asking for a phrase, and what are we supposed to do from here? Let me see. You can create up to 50 API, create VAPI key. Okay, I'm coming. Let me go back to this. I think there is some kind of API. So from here, you don't have an API keys yet. So then I need to come here and click on create. So this is the API name. Let's say the test API is the name of their API. It's asking for passphrase. Okay, so I'm going to copy the passphrase and paste it here. I'm going to pause the video now. I already input my passphrase, so only trade will be enabled, withdrawal is not enabled. Okay, so then the next I'm going to do now is to come here and click on get code. Then they're going to send the code to my email address. So I'll come here and click on this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this now. Copy. Then I'll come here. Sorry about that. So I'll come here and paste the code. Then I'll enter the authenticator code here, okay, which is 279. Okay, it has changed already. So 909 530. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, what you can see here is my API key, my secret key is here. It will enable me to trade, So all I have to do now is just to copy this API key. So I'm going to copy this API key. Then I'll go back to Bitsgap. So I'm going to click on connect. So by clicking on connect, I will paste the API key here. Then I'll come back. Then copy the secret keys, right? I'll copy the secret keys. Then I'll paste it here, right? So the passphrase. So I'm going to go back and copy the passphrase. I'm going to type it here. So I'm going to pause this video now before typing the passphrase. Then I'll click on connect. Okay, this is the API key is here, the secret key is here, and the passphrase is here. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect. So as you can see, this is OKX right here. Okay, this is OKX right here. As you can see, I've successfully connected my OKX account with my Bitsgap account. All right. So then after doing that, the next thing you want to do after this stage is to come to trading. The way you get to trading and you click on this, it will show you OKX. Then you can now start trading on the platform. So as long as you are using Bitsgap to trade on the platform, okay, your rank will automatically show around here what your position is. Okay, you are going to know what your position is amongst 94 people. Do you understand it? So that is really how to take advantage of this opportunity and make some cool money for yourself. Okay, winning this competition is not going to be difficult. I'm going to be teaching, I'm going to be guiding all my community members, because I have a private group where I teach people how to use Bitsgap bot to make steady profit for themselves and by themselves every month. Okay, so I'm going to be going to the group on WhatsApp, the group on Telegram, and share this information with them. If you want to be part of the elite group, the private group, you can send me a DM, on Telegram. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the group and the link to join the public group on Telegram. You can join the group and ask me that, okay, you want to be a part of the community. And also, if you have any question regarding Bitsgap before, probably you've been using Bitsgap before, join the Bitsgap community. I'm always there to answer a lot of questions by users on the platform. Okay, so and also you can join the Crypto Niche group on on Telegram. And if you have any question regarding Bitsgap also, I'll be there to answer all the questions. But I suggest that you join the chat, the official Bitsgap chat, for any questions that you may have. Okay, so that is all you need to know about joining the competition. Winning the competition should not really be so difficult. And there are a lot of hints, there are a lot of tips that can help you to win the competition, even if the capital that you have is not more than 500 or 1,000 USDT. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button. Share this with your friends. Like the video so that more and more people can um, view it on YouTube and also on the Google search engine. That is all I'm asking for from you guys. So I'm going to see you guys in the next tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you another means of making money in the crypto and the blockchain industry. So I'm going to say bye for now. Thanks for watching the video, and thank you for sticking around to the end of this conversation, the video. I love you guys so much. Bye for now.